So over here, you can see that I am inside of a meeting right here. And then what you can do is you can easily share out your computer screen with other users. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the share option. So if you were to go around, click on share right here, then you see like what window you want to share. So you can select out a particular window right here, or you can share out a screen right here. So what I'm going to do right here is click on screen. So once you do that, what happens is that the screen is shared with other people, and the other people will be able to see whatever you do in your screen right now. So that is what you have right here. And if you want to stop sharing out your screen, then you simply go around over here and click on the cross button that you see, and then there you go. The screen will be stopped sharing, just like that. And that is how you can basically share your screen to other users so that they can see you what you're doing with your computer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.